That is, today we will start the intellectual property right. It is a special type of act which covers the right of inventors are doing something extra. Intellectual property rights, it includes idea. Suppose we will give the another idea, new idea that is not actual previously but present, like authorship. If we are writing any new creation, novelty, authorship, invention, a slight change in the original one to create the uh, some another usefulness, or sometimes we can say we can increase the beauty also, beauty also, protection. Sometimes the licensing, and the licensing will come under the Copyright Act. Branding, a special brand we can, and so for that we can go to the patent. So there is a special procedure which is followed. So that under that we have to apply for a patent. First we have to prepare a document, why we want a patent, what we have done extra, or what we have done new in that, and then we can apply to the government, and then government will check the document and then perform the inspection, and then uh, give the patent for a particular period. Similarly, the trademarks. In pharmaceuticals, there are so many trademarks. Paracetamol is available with the different trademarks, like Crocin or some other brands also. So these are the different type of property right. These are the right of actual person who is involved in doing these things. So that right is preserved for the period of stated period, maybe 5 years, 10 years, whatsoever. Then intellectual property, how we can define what is. It is a term referring a number of distinct type of creation. We have to create a distinct type of creation of mind, distinct type of creation of mind, for which property rights are recognized. So it is a different type of creation, and this thing can be done in any field, maybe the pharmaceuticals, maybe the engineering, maybe in the designing. We have to create a new creation with some motto. Intellectual property rights, a right that is had by a person, it's a particular person, or by a company. Individual person भी कर सकता है, or a company, to have a exclusive right to use its own plan. So that person or that company can use its plan, sometimes plan, idea, or other intangible assets that are not visible. They are non-intangible assets without the worry of competition, at least for a specific period of time. So this is the definition. It is a particular, it is applicable for a particular period of time. So it is a right that is carried by the person or company, to exclusive right to use own plans, plan हो सकता है, idea or other intangible assets without the worry of competition. That is not for the competition, at least for a specific period of time. That is known as intellectual property right. Importance of IPR, intellectual property right, is also known as IPR. So what is the importance of IPR? Your IPR can, number one, set your business apart from the competitors. It is a, if you have a special idea, then your business can grow more, be sold or licensed, providing an important revenue stream, revenue generation हो सकता है. We can sold our copyright. If we perform the patent, then it can be sold. So money can be earned, revenue can be generated. Offer customers something new and different. It is a source of attraction of customer also. So there will be the increase in the selling as well as so revenue. After all, revenue will be more generated. So it is a attraction for the customers because everybody needs some different things with having original property. Form an essential part of your marketing or branding. It is an essential part of marketing. Without, everybody knows that without marketing, selling or other things are not possible. So it plays a very important role in the marketing as well as branding. Brand is a very important. We are generally interested in the, for example, clothes or some other item. We need say particular brands. So IPR also gives the brand value. We used as a security for loans. If we are having the requirement of loan, then it is IPR plays an important role as a security. The loan will be available easily. Protect your creation against infringement by others, to stop others using, making, selling, or importing it without your permission. तो क्रिएशन को कहीं ब्रेकिंग ना हो और लॉ ब्रेक ना हो, देयरफॉर it is necessary to have a IPR or their patenting. Types of IPR, there are different type of IPR and they are available in the different fields. Industrial design may be sometimes the hot air oven or any other pharmaceutical or engineering. So we can, if we are having certain problems, then removing that problem, we can change the design, and that design can be come under the IPR. Trademarks is another type of IPR. Trade secret, this is somewhat different one. For example, if we are preparing certain formulations and that formulation is better than the other one, but we have added certain additives which give a good appearance or good aesthetic value, that is known as our trade secret. Then copyright, this is particularly applicable in the field of certain publications or some writing a book. Similarly, we can, if we are have changes in the design of an instrument or design or composition or formulation of any particular drug, then we can go to the patent. Similarly, the geographical indications, they can be also come under the geographical distribution, that is also known as topographic, that is natural and artificial structure at the earth. They can be done by inventing, we can done their IPR, that is intellectual property right. So these are the different type of IPRs. Then we will come to the industrial design. Shape up change कर सकते. If we think that this shape is better than this one, then we can change the shape of that component. Or in case of pharmaceuticals like tablets or drugs, a particular formulation, you are well familiar with the different type of containers and closures. If we are using the containers for cosmetic, then the container will be different one. And if we are using the container for certain drug, oral liquids, or containers for pediatric, or containers for the eye drops or ear drop, then their shape will be different. Similarly, if we are using the container for toothpaste, etc., then the shape will be the different one. So aesthetic feature, the beauty, aesthetic means beauty, to appealing beauty. Configuration, उसका कुछ configuration change कर सकते हैं. Surface pattern of article change कर सकते हैं. So it will look better than the better. The typical views हैं, this is particularly applicable in the pharmaceutical engineering. Front view, back and rear view, we can change the left side or oblique view, right side oblique view, top view, bottom view, and isometric or perspective view. So view can be changed if we feel that this view is looking far better and having certain advantage, then we can change the view, typical views, and then we can go for IPR or patent. Trademarks. Trademark is a distinctive sign or indicator used by an individual. Distinctive sign. Say, for example, in our college, we are using the word sage. So this is a different our trademark. Individual, business organization, or other legal entity to identify the product or services to consumers with which the trademarks appear, originate from a unique source, and it distinguishes its product or services from these of other entities. Trademarks. YouTube, you are seeing these Amazon, Coca-Cola, Yahoo. So these are having a Nikon. These are the different type of trademarks, and this trademark is related with their services also. That such and such trademark or such and such company have bearing this trademark give the such type of services, and or just we can say the better services. So we will follow the trademark that Amazon gives the different type of services, and services are quick, or Adidas clothes or shoes are better than the other one. So this plays a very important role. Then geographical indication. Geographical indication is the name or sign used on certain product which correspond to a specific geographical location, also known as topography, or origin. For example, town, region, or country. These are the different types of product which belongs to the different geographical location, like tea, Assam tea, etc. Different type of product are related to their origin. That this is known as a geographical indication. This is a trademark or brand for the related with the particular place. Darjeeling tea, or some types the caps, Rajasthani, etc. Similar the shoes or some other materials which is particularly related with their origin, from where it is originated. Of course, it can be developed later on in other area also, but it is related with their originality. Copyright. What is copyright? The exclusive and assignable legal right given to originator for a fixed number of years. ये right दिया जाता है, it is it for the fixed number of year to print, publish, perform, film or record literacy, artistic or musical material. This is an example, Microsoft Windows or some other materials which can be uh, uh, under the copyright. So their copyright can be like the patent. There is a procedure for the copyright also. One who has designed or done this work, he can undergo the procedure of copyright, apply with particular fees, and again the government agency will go through this, and the certificate of copyright may be given for a particular period. So it is applicable everywhere. Musical material, artistic है, record literacy है, film है, perform hai, publish, print. Similarly, if we can publish our paper, then or some other materials we develop, then it can be we can perform the copyright of that also. Patent, an exclusive right granted by a government to inventor to prevent others from making the term of generally for 20 years a new product of a new process. It sometimes it may be the product, sometimes it may be the process, and that to be it must have novelty, inventive step, and utility. For doing the patent, we have to increase these novelty, inventive steps, and utility. So the process can be developed. If we have prepared a tablet from that process, then process can be patented. Or if we have developed a tablet or injection or capsules which is not earlierly available, then and having some more utility than the previous one, then the product can also be patented. So patent can be done in both the cases. Either it may be the method of development or method of manufacturing, or it may be the product itself with a better utility or better appearance or better aesthetic value. So patent can be done. What are not the inventions? Pharma related, any process, ये जो नीचे दिखा रहे हैं आप जो अपन देख रहे हैं, these what are the not inventions? Number one, pharma related, any process for medicinal, surgical, curative, prophylactic, or other treatment of human being. The mere discovery of new form of unknown substance, mere discovery of new property, new use of known substance. A substance obtained by mere admixture, resulting only in the aggregation of properties of component thereof, are a process for producing such substance. Traditional knowledge. So these are not the inventions. So one must have to keep in the mind that these are not the inventions, who cannot be undergo the IPR. Others, which claims anything contrary to the natural law, नेचुरल लॉ से अपोजिट कुछ करता है. ए मेथड ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर और हार्टिकल्चर. एग्रीकल्चर इज द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस दैट डील विद द food, we can say the grains production, and horticulture is the same branch of agriculture also, but it is for the ornamental or some flowers. Method of playing games, topography of integrated circuits. Topography is the availability of in natural or artificial things. Presentation of information, literary, dramatic, musical, or artistic work, mathematical or business method, or a computer program. The mere discovery of scientific principle, or the formulation of an abstract theory. We have just formulated the abstract from the theory, formulation of abstract theory. So that will also not come under the category of invention. Then advantages of patent. This is the most significant part of the IPR. A patent gives you the right to stop others from copying. If we have undergone the process of patent, then we can stop other person to do copy. Manufacturing, and it may be in case of manufacturing, selling, or importing, your invention without your permission. Of course, this can be done with the permission of inventors. So just the purpose is to safeguard the invention of inventor. The patent gives you the right to stop others for copying, manufacturing, copying up manufacturing, selling, importing your invention without your permission. You get protection for a predetermined period, a particular period over 10 years, 20 years, whatsoever. So you get protection for a predetermined period, allowing you to keep competitors at a bay. You can then use your invention yourself. Invention, of course, we can use ourselves. Alternatively, you can license your patent for others to use. With the license, we can allow the others to use or sell it as with any asset. So it is a asset of inventor. Asset of inventor, he can earn the money, or he can sell out his idea as a patent. This can provide an important source of revenue for your business. Ultimately, the purpose is to generate more revenue and also the fame also. This can provide an important source of revenue for the your business. Indeed, some businesses exist solely to collect the royalties from a patent they have licensed. कई बिजनेस है ऐसे जो रॉयल्टी से अपना मनी अर्न कर रहे हैं, परहैप्स इन कॉम्बिनेशन विथ रजिस्टर्ड डिजाइन एंड ट्रेडमार्क से जस्ट वी कैन अर्न द मनी आल्सो. So these are the advantages of patent. These are certain references: Kuchekar, BS, Khandar AMA, Forensic Pharmacy, 2006 August. Some websites are also. So anybody has any questions regarding this?